Why are influencer shoutouts the best for all Shopify stores? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. It's your boy DIVIJ. In today's video, I want to talk about why working with Instagram influencers and getting shoutouts is probably one of the best marketing strategies for any business trying to sell products online, okay? So let's just get straight into it, guys. When you have a product and you're trying to sell it online, think about what your main goal is, right? The first main goal is to have people going to your website. You want to make sure that you're getting organic traffic and that people are actually spending time on your site, because if you get random traffic that's just going to your website, they're on there for like 10 seconds and then they leave because they got bored. That's not what your goal is. You want people to actually go on your website, spend time on it, go through your different products, and eventually you want high conversions, right? The end goal is to always get conversions. The best way to do this, in my experience, is through working with Instagram influencers, getting shoutouts on big or even small pages, right? So when you're dealing with influencer marketing, you want to make sure you have a good strategy. The first one is going to be working with micro influencers, so people with, you know, a couple hundred followers, a couple thousand followers, maybe up to 20 or 30,000 followers, to people who have 100K, 500K, a million, or even more than that, right? So you want to make sure you have a good combination. The reason shoutouts are always the best is because people who are following these influencers, they really do respect them, they really do look up to them. And if they're advertising a product that they really love in an organic way, then those users who look up to these influencers, they're going to want to wear that same product. You see high conversion rates. All they have to do is tag your company in the post, and of course you'll have your your link in your bio, and people can immediately go click directly onto your website. So the reason I love it also is, to get more specific, is because influencers who have more than 10,000 followers can post you on their story, and now they have the swipe up method, right? I don't know if you guys have seen this, but Instagram influencers can tag, your company, post your photo on their story, and if they have over 10K followers, their users, whoever's actually on their Instagram watching their content, can swipe up and go directly to your website. So the reason that's so great is because it's very visual and people like to see things. I think visual marketing is the best marketing, and there's not many clicks they have to go through to actually get to your website. All they have to do is swipe up or click on your account and then go to your website. People have short attention spans. It's very cool that with shoutouts, all they have to do is click a couple buttons and they can get immediately to your website and start looking through your through your products and services, whatever you're offering. So those are a couple reasons why shoutouts are always the best. Another thing is, oftentimes you can get influencers to post for free, right? So what I did early on when I first started, basically DMing people, hitting them up. And if you guys want to learn more about how to actually do outreach, I did just create another video which I dropped yesterday, so definitely go check that out. It gives you the best ways to reach out to Instagram influencers. But basically you can reach out to them and say, hey, you know what, I have this company, would love for you to work with us and be an influencer. A lot of times you can actually split profit with them. There's a lot of different ways to go about it in terms of providing them with value so that they'll actually post for you. But a lot of times influencers will actually do it for free because they believe in your vision and they believe in your product and they love what you're doing, right? So I had a person recently who he's got around 125,000 followers on his Instagram account. He's got great engagement. He's getting millions of people viewing his account. He actually posted my jewelry for free just because we're donating 20% of our proceeds to the ASPCA to prevent animal cruelty, which is of course a definitely unique sort of aspect to our company. And he posted it for free. He didn't want any product. He didn't want any money. He did it simply because he loved it. And we got like 5 or 6 sales just from his post. So that's why I really do love Instagram shoutouts. Is it's high conversions. It can be very cheap. And you can actually reach your target markets and be very specific with who you're actually going to reach through your Instagram shoutout. So those are a couple reasons why Instagram marketing is really cool. And if you haven't explored it at all, definitely hit me up. I can definitely help you guys and give you some guidance in terms of how to actually go about Instagram marketing and how to leverage it to actually start making money with your business. All right, guys, thanks so much for tuning in. If you have any requests on what you want me to start talking about in my next videos, feel free to email me or comment down below. Make sure you follow me on all social media, and I'll catch you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.